Junior High School 6 is located in a very strategic location, a center of Makassar on Ahmad Yani Street, number 25, Makassar. 48 years ago, on October 25, 1960, the government issued the establishment of Junior High School 6 as one of stated schools in Ujung Pandang City with Memorandum of Understanding Letter number 355. Mr. Rajuni, the headmaster with his 27 teachers, 2 officers and 5 local classrooms started to guide this school. For the first location of the school was too narrow to be facilitated, but several next time, Commander of Kodam Hasanuddin, Mr. Shadiman, and over the edge of Mahmilud building to Junior High School 6, which is located in the same place. Next 3 months, Mr. Rajuni got his retire, so the next leadership continued by Mr. Haji Hussain as the first definitive headmaster, helped by 30 teachers and 3 officers. He started to make Junior High School 6 should be taken into account. Together with Mr. Daud as the leader of BP3 at the time, made many prestige more and more. One of the government rewards given to its prestige at the very beginning of its age was visiting Japan in order to learn and get more information about school in Japan. After 2 years led this school, the next leadership finally given to Mr. Haji Muhammad Arifin. On his new leadership, the school kept going on making its existence as a deserved school. Besides the increase of prestige in academic and non-academic, discipline and the social relation were 3 main priorities of Junior High School 6 mission at the time. The threat of this school was getting bigger to compete with other schools in making prestige, and finally, the 2 years leadership was handed over from Haji Muhammad Arifin to Mr. Robert Paat. Besides previous programs, Mr. Robert Paat succeeded to guide 3 people from the 56 teachers to be the headmaster from another school at the time. They are Dr. Andes Ilyas Karim, Muhammad Basrah Rauf, and Dr. Andes Abdul Razak Karumpa. For many prestige that had been made with not only in city competition and province, but also in national level and even for some international events, such as being a champion in science. As time went by, this school had replaced some leaders, started by Mr. Robert Paat, Haji Randai Pateha, Dr. Andes Haji Muin Tarham, Dr. Andes Haji Samshu Alam, and now led by Dr. Andes Haji Alimuddin Ahmad, MPD. As the government appreciation for all prestige of the school in order to create the skillful students, the school had received some predicates in province and national level. In 2003, the school was appointed by the government as a pilot project to handle a restricted curriculum-based competence. At the same time, the school received a predicate as a national standard school and national coalition school. In 2006, National Education Department stated Junior High School 6 Makassar as one of 100 pioneering schools of international standard in Indonesia. After facing some step of selection and evaluation in some aspects, Junior High School 6 Makassar has 3 programs. They are: first, bilingual program, that is teaching math and science in English. Second, accelerated program. Program helps to maximize students' capability and finish their study within 2 years. Third, international program. As international school, Junior High School 6 Makassar applies three curriculums: national, international, and local. Junior High School 6 Makassar is dedicated to bring the best education to the student. Therefore, we are proud to introduce our teaching system as follows. First, active learning process. To assist students to be active and to cultivate knowledge according to our study goals, our teachers are in hand to be motivator and facilitator. Second, remedial helps below standard grade students to improve their grade. 3. Enrichment, an intensive approach of studying process to above average student. To optimize their knowledge on international situation, Junior High School 6 is supported with work experience and international standard human resources in order to create international graduate. Our human resources is known for its achievements in teaching and learning. We are supported by 62 teachers with 55 bachelor's degree, 7 master degree, 6 candidate master degree, 1 candidate doctor degree. Our teachers are graduated from different universities in Indonesia. The area of education is the biggest concern. Therefore, Junior High School 6 Makassar teachers are well involved in local, national, international training and activity. Besides teachers, we are also supported 15 administration staff with computerized administration system, effectively facilitate students' grading system. Junior High School 6 Makassar has more than 895 students and supported with 30 classes, 9 classes for grade 7, 9 classes for grade 8, 10 classes for grade 9, and 2 classes for acceleration class. Our school also provides supportive environment for intellectual and ideas development. Junior High School 6 Makassar offer high quality condition toward its service to students. Junior High School 6 also emphasizes and applies religious value during studying and teaching process as well. We believe religious values must be applied to daily activities. Hence, our students are acknowledged with ethical value and discipline that in time will help them to be the best feature of themselves. Students' activities. Students have access to extensive sport facilities. We believe that healthy mind is supported with healthy body. Therefore, we encourage our students to enjoy such activity which divided into sports, basketball, futsal, badminton, karate, and volleyball. Art and creativity, drawing, dancing, music, cheerleader. Education, Olympic Club and English Corner. Life skill, Red Cross, Scout, Racing Flag Brigade. Junior High School 6 Makassar, our studying with the best facilities. It's developed in 3,765 square meters with 1,464 square meters building. Consists of classrooms with multimedia, computer lab, science lab, language lab, multimedia lab, music studio, internet hotspot, mosque, sport facilities. Our academic improvement program. First, matriculation, which is prepared to improve the students our academic standard. Introduce teaching math and science in English and teaching using ICT.